Video of a Marshall amp head. I think it's a MG100hdfx, one of the cheaper ones. What I'm doing, I'm working on it. It had a broken, one of the base potentiometers was broke off. So I got a new part coming, and I'm going to replace that. But just so you know what you're getting, really, the casing is a nice case. I mean, but and that's what it looks like. But you come over here where I've already got the board out. That's what the board looks like. MG100hdfx. Yep. And what happened right here, the base potentiometer got well, it got broke off. Let me show it to you. Here it is. And you can see that the stem got broke off of it. So what I'm having to do is one of those 3 pins. So I've got it ordered, haven't got it back yet, and I'm going to change it out. But what I wanted to show you was that on these MG100s, once you open that, take the real amp out of the case, and see what you got. This is kind of, I mean, you think a 100-watt amp would be bigger than this, but not really. And these little pots, let me show you, they're kind of flexible. You screw these to the face of the amp case, so that makes it really solid. But when you get it apart, that little thing just as flimsy as it can be. And this is what's in your MG100. Of course, they've got a reputation for being cheap, because they are. You can buy it brand new, $389.95. You can buy it a whole lot cheaper, half that, for used. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video of what's in your MG100. I mean, not a whole lot. And of course, this don't have fuse. This is all just, what do you call it, solid state or whatever. But anyway, that's what the inside of an MG100 looks like.